Hey guys, Jason Scudellari from CPP, and today I'm here to talk about our all-new, all-aluminum 22-gallon fuel tanks for 62 to 67 Novas. Our fuel tanks are designed to use 1 or 2 fuel pumps. We got a baffle running down here so your primary pump will never starve for fuel due to fuel slosh. We also got an area for your fuel sending unit. We have 2 baffles running this way, that way you don't get any fuel slosh, and for structural integrity. Another feature of our tank is the way we angle the sides for easy exhaust routing. Our tanks are great for EFI. We also have a bung welded in for you carburetor guys. The fuel tanks come both in natural and satin black. This is my favorite by far. It just disappears when you put it underneath your car. The tank mounts in its factory locations, comes with everything you see in front of us, including a block-off plate in case you only run 1 fuel pump, and all the hardware needed. We also have an upper bung welded in for venting. That way when you're filling up your car, you won't get any fuel burping. All right, so we've gone over the tank, but you're probably gonna need some of those accessories to go along with it. Here we have a single kit that comes with your fittings, your line, your pump, your regulator, sending unit, pickup, everything good to go. The neat things about these fittings is no special tools required. Easily trim your line, push your fittings together. That's why they're called push lock. Also, line is good up to 250 PSI. Over here, we have some additional accessories, higher volume pump and an adjustable fuel regulator. So now this is where you really want to start planning things out. You're still running that carburetor, but I bet you want to run EFI in the future. What do? Well, you buy the EFI kit, you drop that pump in there, you run an adjustable fuel regulator, you can adjust all the way down to 4 PSI, all the way up to 80 PSI, but guess what? You're set for the future when you do switch over to EFI. If you want to find out more about our adjustable fuel regulator, click the link below. So whether you buy it all as a kit or a la carte, we have you covered. So when you're ready to pick up your parts for your classic car or truck, give us a call or visit classicperform.com.